Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Epicure. So a little bit about the Epicure business and how much time you can expect to possibly spend on it. Now, it is truly up to you. You know, I have some people on my team who might spend half an hour a week on Epicure, and that's just simply putting orders in, and that's it. And then I have other people spend an hour a day doing videos on YouTube, such as this one. Just kind of talking about the products. They might take the time to, every time they get an Epicure shipment, they do an unboxing video online. They might be scheduling posts in their group on Facebook. But the nice thing about this business is you can put into it as much time as you want to, or as little time. It's totally up to you. But the the saying goes, the more you put into it, the more you will get out of it. Now, I probably spend, I don't know, some days are different. Like today on my Epicure business, I have probably spent 2 hours in total. And that's just simply me recording training videos for my team, collecting orders. What else was I doing today? I was scheduling posts for my group on Facebook, because I do like to post in my Epicure group once a day, but then sometimes I don't even do it once a day. It might be every other day. It might be 3 times a day. Like when a new catalog comes out, I will probably post 4 times that day, because I want people to see the new catalog. I will probably post different images from the new catalog to get people excited. So it really does depend. If you're concerned that you have to spend too much time, and it's just too much time that you're not interested in taking the time to do, you don't have to worry about that, because this is your business. You can do whatever you want. But the exciting thing is, if you do work a little bit harder, you can earn some amazing money, because we get 25% commission on everything we sell. And if you have a team under you, you also make 3% commission from them if you join. So if you're new to Epicure and you join, we have what's called a fast start program. So within your first 3 months, the more you actually sell, the more cooking classes you have, you can earn more money, including the first month. It could be $100 worth of free Epicure products. And then into the second month, it could be earning your kit for free. And the kit's about $175. $175 for about $500 worth of products, but you could actually get that money back. So of course, if you're sitting around not doing anything, you can't expect to sell anything. But if you take the time to, let's say, post in the morning on your timeline on Facebook, hey, who has heard of Epicure? Here's a link to the new catalog. If you want anything, let me know. That took like 3 seconds, right? Post that. And then in the evening time, post about, hey, Shannon, Sarah, Michael, thank you so much for your Epicure orders. If anybody wants anything, let me know. Just kind of little posts like that. I do tell people it's a good idea to post on your if you're ever cooking. It doesn't even have to be cooking with Epicure, but anything you make, honestly, like lunch, dinner, snacks, tea, a cocktail, post about it, because you want people to know and to think, okay, she knows food, she likes food. Oh wow, the food that like she makes looks amazing. And then eventually they will say, oh, she's been talking a lot about this Epicure stuff. What is that? Maybe I will ask her questions. So that's how these things start. You can't expect to get like 100 customers right away. These things take time, but how do you get customers? By posting and letting them know what you do. So I just became a leader this month. I have been selling with Epicure since 2017, and I had done it like part-time, here and there, not thinking too much of it. But then when I first started building a team, I thought, okay, my team's amazing. They are counting on me to help them sell sell Epicure, to make a great commission. So I need to practice what I preach and do the same thing. So then I would kind of try things out, like, okay, should I be posting once a day? If I post 3 times a day, is that too much? Am I getting more orders or am I getting less because I'm overwhelming people? So I did try a lot. So it was a lot of trial and error. Honestly, you guys, I did try Instagram. It didn't work for me. I got like nothing. So I'm not going to waste my time posting on Instagram because for whatever reason, it just doesn't work for me. What seems to work for me is when I post on YouTube. I have gotten a lot of customers and teammates from these YouTube videos, and also Facebook. Me posting on Facebook really makes a big difference. So I hope this quick little video helps you guys. Please let me know if you need anything. If you're thinking about signing up, let me know, because now is definitely the time. We have an amazing summer kit with like $500 worth of products for $175. You guys can't go wrong with that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.